Welcome to the Tempsens. Today we are introducing the FASTcal 3000, our advanced high-temperature black-body source for calibration of non-contact temperature sensors like pyrometers, thermal imagers etc. Hi. My name is Yasha Sharma, and I am here to guide you through the features and functions of FASTcal 3000, helping you understand how it can meet your calibration needs. This is FASTcal 3000, a high-temperature calibrator designed for quick and precise calibration of non-contact temperature sensors. It operates between 600 degrees Celsius to 3000 degrees Celsius and heats up 3000 degrees Celsius from ambient temperature in just 5 minutes. With a durable build and user-friendly interface, it's ideal for precise temperature calibration. Its specifications are displayed here. Temperature range: 600 degrees Celsius to 3000 degrees Celsius. Method of control: self-tuned PID controller. Controlling sensor: pyrometer. Temperature resolution: 0.1 degrees Celsius. Emissivity: 0.99. Cavity: graphite dual cavity black body, one side for control and one side for measurement. Heating aperture: 25 mm. Heating time: approximate 5 minutes from ambient to 3000 degrees Celsius. This is FASTcal 3000 with chiller unit, an essential companion of the FASTcal 3000. The FASTcal 3000 comes equipped with this chiller to maintain stable, low temperature of copper block during calibration. The chiller circulates water through the copper blocks, absorbing excess heat and keeping their temperature low and stable. This ensures precise temperature control even during extended calibration sessions. Let's walk through the FASTcal 3000's user interface to understand how it works. When the FASTcal 3000 powers on, the initial screen appears, prompting login. The home screen shows flow rate, RTD temperature, and alarm indicators. In the flow rate section, we monitor water and argon gas flows. Argon prevents oxidation in the graphite cavity at high temperatures, while water keeps the copper blocks cool through chiller circulation. In the RTD temperature section, 6 RTDs provide temperature readings. For safety, these readings are controlled by a PLC, and if any temperature limit is exceeded, the system will automatically trip, shut down, and trigger an alarm. To continue, reset the system using the reset button and return to the control screen via the home icon. Then, press start process to activate the heater and set the temperature. Now, to perform calibration using the FASTcal 3000, begin by aligning the pyrometers so that the laser is centered in the cavity. Once the pyrometer is properly aligned, set the desired temperature on the UI. Calibration data will be sent to the PC for accurate results. Thank you.